Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to file taxes for beginners and save money doing it. TurboTax Basics. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Then go to the TurboTax official website. Over here, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner, then open the login page. After that, create an account if needed or sign in using your credentials. Then, once you're logged in, go to the Tax Home section. After that, click on the Review or Edit button to check your entered details. Then, carefully review all your information and make sure everything is correct. Over here, click on the My Info section to enter your personal details. After that, fill in your name, address, and social security number carefully. Then go to the Personal Profile section to continue. Over here, answer questions about your filing status and dependents. Finally, follow the guided steps and complete your initial tax filing setup. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.